Hey everyone, if you're looking to install NAPS2 on your computer in 2026, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the entire installation process from downloading the software to getting it ready for your first scan. So let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and visit the official NAPS2 website. Once you're on the download page, choose the installer that matches your operating system. If you're using Windows, the standard installer is the recommended option for most people. Yeah, avoid downloading the software from unofficial websites whenever possible. After the download finishes, open the installer file. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes to continue. Then select your preferred language, accept the license agreement, and keep clicking Next until you reach the Install button. It only takes a minute. Wait for the installation to complete. Once it's finished, click Finish to launch NAPS2 automatically. If it doesn't open right away, you can simply find it from your Start menu or desktop shortcut. Now connect your scanner if you haven't already. You can use a USB connection, or, if your scanner supports it, a network connection over Wi-Fi or Ethernet. If your scanner isn't detected, you may need to install the latest driver from the manufacturer's website before continuing. Inside NAPS2, click Scan and then choose your scanning device. Depending on your scanner, you might see options like WIA, Twain, or ESCL. Select the one that works with your device, then save the profile. The default settings are usually a good place to start. Finally, place a document on your scanner and click Scan. If everything was installed correctly, your scan page should appear inside NAPS2. From there, you can save it as a PDF or another supported format. And that's it, you've successfully installed NAPS2 and you're ready to start scanning. I hope this guide helped you get NAPS2 up and running. If you run into any installation issues, checking your scanner driver and using the latest version of NAPS2 usually solves the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.